Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share book summary on Two States by Chetan Bhagat. Two States is a story of Krish Malhotra, a North Indian Punjabi guy, and Ananya Swaminathan, a Tamilian Brahmin girl, who is from economics background and is the most talked about girl at the campus of IIM Ahmedabad, whereas Krish is an IIT graduate. The story begins in Ahmedabad, where Ananya was fighting with the mess staff about the food. They shared their lunch together and soon become friends and decide to study together at every night. Soon they became good friends and their friendship turned into love and they start to live together. After the course, both of them get job in the companies. While appearing in the interview, Krish is not able to concentrate on the interview, so he proposes Ananya for the marriage in the mid of the interview. Ananya accepted the proposal while both of them were ready but not their families, as being from different state, opposition from the respective families is obvious in India. Krish and Ananya are liberal in their thoughts. In spite of all this, they pick to convince their parents and take turn to win each other families. For this, Krish asked his company for his placement in Chennai just to remain close to Ananya's family. He started to teach Ananya brothers Manju for IIT JEE, but he could not achieve attraction from his in-laws. Then he tried more and helped Ananya's father in making company presentation and showcase the talent of his mother-in-law in Carnatic music at his office eminent event. At last day in Chennai, Krish proposes his in-laws with 4 gold rings to make their acceptance for Krish and Ananya marriage. Ananya's family accepted the proposal. Now it's time for the Krish family. They both left for Delhi where Ananya meet Krish mother where she said that Krish should not marry an Emilian girl, but whole family accepted Ananya after an incident in which Ananya saves the marriage of Krish's cousin. Krish has a very troubled relationship with his father, so he tries to ignore him. Now, as both the families are convinced for their marriage, they plan to introduce each other parent. Ananya and Krish planned Goa trip, which turned into a complete disaster. There was a huge battle among the parents, due to which Ananya broke up, and with this, Krish goes into depression. Finally, Krish's father secretly meets Ananya's parents in Chennai and convinces everyone for the marriage, and they both get married and are blessed with twins. If you have read this book, then I would love to know what you thought about this book. Let me know in the comment section down below. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you are notified for the upcoming new videos.